aspiring builders. Today we are going to learn one of the competencies in welding, the use of personal protective equipment. These equipments are worn by welders to protect himself from a potential hazard in the workplace. These are the PPEs used in welding. Let us always remember that the PPE is used from head to the body, to the legs, and to the feet. First, from the head protection is the welding mask. This mask is used to protect our eyes from the arc rays. This is the ear muff. This is used especially when grinding and to protect our ears from excessive noise. This is a safety goggles. This goggle is used especially when grinding and chipping off slag by using chipping hammer. Let us now proceed with the body and hand protection. First, we have the welding glove. It is used to protect our hands from heat and accidentally touching hot materials and to protect our hands from splinters during welding. Protective coverall. This is used to protect the whole body. Leather apron. This is used to protect our body from electrode splinters during welding. Lastly, the safety shoes. This is used to protect our feet from pulling objects. This is the complete set of welders' personal protective equipment. For today. Always remember, ABC, always be careful, be safe and have fun. See you next time.